Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Xero for AI finance workflows in the USA. Full guide step by step clearly. Navigate to the pricing page by clicking on the pricing tab at the top of the home page. Review the different subscription plans available to determine which one best fits your business needs. Click on the Try Xero for free button associated with your chosen plan. You will be directed to a sign-up form. Fill in your email address and create a secure password. Once you've completed the sign-up form, click on the Continue button to proceed. Next, you'll be asked to enter your business details. Fill in your business name, type, and address. Select the appropriate industry from the drop-down menu. After entering your business details, click on Continue to move forward. You will then receive an email confirming your registration. Check your inbox for this welcome email. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided to verify your account. Once your account is verified, log into your Xero account using your email and password. You will be directed to the Xero dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout and features available. To set up AI finance workflows, navigate to the Settings tab in the dashboard. Look for the Connected Apps section, where you can explore integrations with AI tools. Select the AI finance applications that best suit your workflow requirements. Follow the prompts to connect these applications to your Xero account. Once connected, customize the settings for each AI tool to optimize your workflows. Finally, ensure your subscription details and payment information are correctly set up to maintain uninterrupted access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.